Thank you. What a big helper you are. Good job. I think you're stronger than Aunt Sydney. Yeah, good boy. All right.
All right, Parker. Good boy.
Can you get him in the door? I don't know. Grandpa might need some help, he says. Here, let me climb in and then you can give it to me again.
He's mad.
Thank you.
Here.
Here, get him.
Here, Parker. Here.
Take him for Mommy.
Take him for Grandpa. Take the one. Here. Here, sweetheart.
Nope, he says I quit. I'll get my cup. Wrong one, silly.
Here you go. Put your hands through here.
Oh, he's trying to find his drink. Come on, bring him
We'll
inside.
go find your drink. Here. Is it in the bag? It's right here, sweetie. Here.